Welcome to our video on marketing on a budget tips and tricks. In this video, we will share with you some effective ways to market your business without breaking the bank. As a small business owner, you know how important it is to market your business. However, marketing can be expensive and it's not always easy to find the budget for it. But don't worry, there are ways to market your business on a budget. In this video, we will show you some tips and tricks that you can use to promote your business without spending a lot of money. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking for ways to save money on your marketing budget, this video is for you. So, let's get started and learn how to market your business on a budget. The first step in marketing your business on a budget is to define your target audience. Knowing who your ideal customer is will help you create marketing messages that resonate with them. It will also help you choose the right marketing channels to reach them. To define your target audience, start by asking yourself these questions. Who are your current customers? What are their demographics, such as age, gender, income, and location? What are their interests, needs, and pain points? Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, you can tailor your marketing messages and choose the right marketing channels to reach them. This will help you save money by avoiding marketing channels that are not effective for your target audience. So, take the time to define your target audience and create marketing messages that resonate with them. Social media is a powerful tool for marketing your business on a budget. With billions of people using social media every day, it's a great way to reach your target audience without spending a lot of money. Here are some tips for leveraging social media to market your business. 1. Choose the right social media platforms for your business. Depending on your target audience, some social media platforms may be more effective than others. For example, if your target audience is primarily young adults, platforms like Instagram and Snapchat may be more effective than Facebook. 2. Create engaging content. Social media users are bombarded with content every day, so it's important to create content that stands out. This can include images, videos, and infographics that are visually appealing and shareable. 3. Engage with your audience. Social media is a two-way conversation, so it's important to engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. This will help you build relationships with your customers and create a loyal following. By leveraging social media, you can market your business effectively without spending a lot of money. Collaborating with other businesses is a great way to market your business on a budget. By partnering with other businesses, you can reach a wider audience and share marketing costs. Here are some tips for collaborating with other businesses. 1. Find businesses that complement your own. Look for businesses that offer products or services that complement your own. For example, if you own a bakery, you could collaborate with a coffee shop to offer a joint promotion. 2. Offer something of value. When approaching other businesses for a collaboration, offer something of value. This could be a discount for their customers, a joint event, or a cross-promotion on social media. 3. Build relationships. Collaborating with other businesses is not just about marketing, it's also about building relationships. Take the time to get to know the other business owners and find ways to support each other. By collaborating with other businesses, you can reach a wider audience and save money on marketing costs. The final step in marketing your business on a budget is to measure your results. By tracking your marketing efforts, you can see what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Here are some tips for measuring your marketing results. 1. Set clear goals. Before you start a marketing campaign, set clear goals for what you want to achieve. This could be increasing website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. 2. Use analytics tools. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics to track your website traffic and social media analytics to track your engagement. This will help you see which marketing channels are driving the most traffic and engagement. 3. Adjust your strategy. Based on your results, adjust your marketing strategy to focus on what's working and improve what's not. By measuring your results, you can make informed decisions about your marketing strategy and get the most out of your budget. We hope these tips and tricks have been helpful in showing you how to market your business on a budget. Remember, marketing doesn't have to be expensive to be effective.